another thing they came to us for, and this is a myth that I want to debunk because we hear this a lot, that they heard online and some friends, they got to buy real estate, they're in a high income tax bracket because real estate's going to give them a tax deduction. What do you think of that?
If I had a dollar for every Instagram influencer that I saw say this,
You have a dollar?
no, I, I wouldn't be doing this. This is like you said, it's a very common myth. Their income precludes them from taking advantage of this so-called benefit. It's not a benefit that they're going to be able to take care of, and I think we're going to get into that in a little more detail later on. But basically, at their income level, buying a rental will not reduce their tax liability the way they were told it would.
Yeah, why don't we just unwrap that right now?
Sure.
Let's kind of dive into rental real estate
Sure.
because it does come up so often. The bottom line is if you're a high income earner, rental losses on rental properties will not give you a tax deduction.
No.
And the reason behind that is rental real estate losses are passive losses.
Correct.
Right? You cannot offset passive losses with active income.
Right.
And what is active
So
income?
active income is income you earn from your job. So the money she earns from her influencer work is active income, and his income from his 9 to 5, his day job at the corporation, is active income as well. So in the eyes of the IRS, this passive income cannot be these passive losses cannot be offset by their active income.
Right. So in their case, let's say they make $1 million a year collectively together, and they've got $50,000 of rental losses. And they get all excited. They think that $50,000 is going to offset that $1 million.
Right.
That is not going to happen. That's not the case. No. For you to be able to do that, there's really two paths you can take. You can either be an active participant in the real estate, and if you're an active participant, then you can deduct up to $25,000 of those losses. But if your income is more than $150,000, you can't take those out. So